Hello my dear friends and my dear students, myself Dr. JP Tripathi. I am again here with a very new topic, medical evidence part 2. In this topic, in this lecture, we will discuss about the documentary evidence. We have already discussed about the oral evidence in the previous lecture. As you all know, Indian Evidence Act 1872 tells about the evidence. So my dear friends, we are going to start our lecture. Let's begin. Let's talk about the medical evidence. What is medical evidence? The purpose of examination of medical witness is to record his evidence. Medical evidence given in the court of law is are of two types. We have discussed in the previous lecture. What are those two types of medical evidences? Oral evidence and another is a documentary or written evidence. In previous lecture, we have learned about the oral evidence. In this video lecture, we will talk about documentary or written evidence. So let's talk about what is documentary evidence. Documentary evidence. Written or documentary evidence comprise of all the documents, whether it is written or in printed form, produced before the court during the course of trial. It includes two types of documentary evidences. First is primary documentary evidences and the second one is a secondary documentary evidence. What is primary documentary evidences? It includes all the original documents. And what is secondary documentary evidence? It includes certified copies of original documents. So documentary evidence are the evidence which consist of all the documents, whether it is printed or written form, which is produced in front of court. It can be primary, it can be secondary. What are the types of documentary evidence? These are the types of documentary evidence: medical certificates, medical legal reports, dying declaration, dying deposition, and there are various other documentary evidences. We'll talk about each one by one. First is medical certificate. What is medical certificate? It is a form of documentary evidence issued by the registered medical practitioner, which includes sickness certificate, age certificate, birth certificate, death certificates, disability certificates, insanity certificates, compensation certificates. These are the types of medical certificate which is issued by a registered medical practitioner, which are termed as medical certificates. Let's talk about few points related to the medical certificate. The first point is, it is punishable offense to issue a false medical certificate. If any person issues a false medical certificate, it is punishable offense. It is accepted by the court when issued by the registered medical practitioners. Whenever it is issued by the registered medical practitioner, then the court will accept this certificate. The court may require the attendance of certifying medical man to testify on the oath the fact mentioned in the certificate and to cross-examine for if required. The court may call any registered medical practitioner to testify if he issues a medical certificate and the case goes for the trial. Medical legal report. These are another types of documentary evidences. What are medical legal reports? This is a document or report prepared by a medical man in response to requisition from magistrate or investigating police officer, usually in criminal cases. What medical legal reports includes all the documents or report prepared by any medical man in requisition from magistrate or by police officer. It includes injury reports, poisoning reports, sexual assault report, age certificates, murder or death reports, postmortem reports. These are various types of medical legal reports which is prepared by a medical man whenever he receives the requisition from court or from any magistrate or from police officer. The examination of an injured person or dead body is made when there is a requisition from police officer or from the magistrate, as we have discussed earlier. These reports consist of two parts. Means the medical legal reports consist of two parts. The first is the fact observed on examination. It includes all relevant objective descriptions, including important negative findings. This is the first part of any medical legal reports. The second part is opinion. The opinion drawn from the facts. Few points should be remembered while making the medical legal reports. The great care should be taken in writing the reports to avoid any loose wording or careless statement. It should be clear, concise, complete, readable, and it should avoid a technical term as far as possible. The opinion should be based on the fact observed by himself, not on the information obtained from the other sources. The report should be written in duplicate copy using carbon papers. The first copy is sent to the investigating officer and another copy is retained for future reference. The doctor should sign or put initial at the bottom of each page of report. The report will be attached to the file relating to the case and the file is produced in the court. The report will be open to the presence of defense lawyer. It will not be admitted as evidence unless the doctor attend the court and testify to the fact under the oath. Means the report should be made in two copies. One is given to the court, another is kept with the doctor for further reference. Another thing which is very important is that the doctor has to put the initial or do the signature in each page of the report. This report which is prepared is sent to the court and this report will be opened in the presence of defense lawyer. Okay, and this report is only accepted when the doctor attend the court and give the testification in front of court. Dying declaration. It is another type of documentary evidence. What is dying declaration? It is a declaration of the person who is going to die due to some unlawful act, which is recorded by anyone, especially by the doctors. What is dying declaration? It is written or verbal statement of the person who is dying as a result of some unlawful act relating to the material fact or the cause of his death or bearing on the circumstances. It is recorded by anyone. One important thing I would like to mention here that we will discuss in detail about the dying declaration and dying deposition in coming lecture. So only given the introduction of dying declaration here. Dying deposition. It is also a type of documentary evidence. It is a statement which is given by a dying person under oath in the presence of magistrate, in the presence of accused or his lawyer, where they can cross-examine the dying person. As I told you, we'll discuss in detail about the dying deposition also in coming lecture. So please refer it. Let's talk about the other types of documentary evidences. There are various other documentary evidences which are accepted by the court. What are those documentary evidences? Reports in the previous judicial proceeding given in the lower court, chemical examiner report, fingerprint expert report, handwriting expert report, ballistic expert report, expert opinion from the books. So these are the other types of documentary evidences which is accepted by the court as a documentary evidence. So my dear friends and my dear students, this was all about today's topic. Today we have discussed in detail about the documentary evidences. We have talked about the various types of documentary evidences like medical certificates, medical legal reports, what are the various types of medical legal reports, what are the various types of medical legal certificates, dying declaration, dying deposition, what are the various other documentary evidences. So this was all about today's topic. We'll come with another new topic. Please subscribe for upcoming topic. Thanks a lot and take care.